Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Anna, and as you can tell, I have another Sephora Play unboxing. So if you guys know what Sephora Play is, feel free to skip a little bit of this. If you guys don't know what Sephora Play is, what's really cool is that Sephora Play is basically a monthly subscription box from Sephora. And what I really love about this monthly subscription box compared to other subscription makeup boxes is that you can really tailor it to your needs. So if you're someone who's really high on skincare, you can get a lot of skincare items. If you're someone who's really heavy on makeup, you can get makeup items. So that's what's really cool. I am into makeup, but I'm not by any means a makeup guru or anything like that. I'm very much more, I like skincare products like moisturizers, cleansers. That's really what I shop for the most at Sephora compared to makeup. But you do get a few makeup items in here, even if you do specify skincare and items like that. So that's what's really cool about Sephora, is that you're not only just getting makeup. And I know that there's a lot of subscription boxes out there. There's so much variety now. There's not just boxes for makeup in general, but there are a lot of boxes that include makeup, etc. But I just like the Sephora brand. I've always been very loyal to Sephora. I go there for everything from makeup to skincare related items. That's just the brand that I've always been attached to. So I ended up getting their monthly subscription box, and I just decided, why not share on my channel what I get in my box every month. So I already went ahead and I opened the seal, but I haven't seen the products yet. So when you open your box, the first thing you're going to see in your box is this little pamphlet, little poster, and basically what it is everyone gets this every month, and it's a description of all the items that you get in your bag monthly. So it just tells you directions on how to use your items, what the item is, the ingredients, things like that. So I think that's really cool. And also, if you haven't received the Play box before, you also get this 50-point rewards. So just like any rewards program, you know, Macy's, JCPenney, just anywhere you go, a lot of places now have reward programs. So when you rack up points, you're able to redeem them. So every month you get an extra 50 points. So if you purchase something from Sephora, either online or in store, you can go and redeem these, and these counts as points as well. So I think that's really cool that they just add that extra freebie in there for you guys. Again, as I mentioned, I do shop at Sephora a lot for skincare items. So this really comes in handy. And I want to say every 3 to 4 months I rack up enough points that I can get something. So either I get like a small sample of perfumes, things like that. And let me actually show you guys, one of the small sample of perfumes that I got was actually in like a mini bottle. How cute is this? So I ended up getting this really cute Versace perfume. I don't know if you guys can see it because it is pretty light, but I ended up getting this small bottle, and it's legitimately like the replica of the big bottle, but it was a small bottle, and I think this was worth either 200 or 300 points. But I think that is so cute, and I love perfumes and scents and everything. So when I was able to pick that up with just my points, guys, you know your girl was happy and excited about that. So I'm gonna stop mumbling and let's get into what we got this month. All right, so let's get into our first item. So as you can tell, you just get this beautiful goodie bag, and there's so many new items in here, and I'm so excited to jump right in and see what new items I got. All right, let's see. Oh, okay. So the first item I got is the Belief the True Cream Moisturizing Balm. And if you guys saw, I want to say either 4 or 5 months ago when I did a previous Sephora haul, I ended up getting the Belief Aqua Balm Moisturizer. And guys, it was bomb. I really liked that moisturizer. It was so refreshing and just nice, and it wasn't sticky or gooey. It was just a really nice, refreshing moisturizer. And if you guys don't know my long skincare routine, like I've used this for the longest time. I've used the Tasha Water Cream Moisturizer, and it really compares to that. I will say that. And I actually will say that the Aqua Balm, I feel, is a bit more lighter than even what the Tasha moisturizer is. So I really enjoyed the Aqua Balm. So I'm really excited to try this. I haven't tried this. This is the True Cream one. So I'm actually really excited to try that. I have not tried that. So I have tried the Belief Moisturizing, the Belief brand, and a few other moisturizers, but this is the first time that I'm trying this True Cream. So I'm really excited for that, because I really did enjoy the last Belief item that I got. Moisturizer, I should say. Okay, now let's get into our next item. I think I'm gonna try to pull the bigger pieces first and then leave the smaller pieces for last. So then we have this Amika Bushwick Beach No Salt Wave Spray. So that's cool. Non-drying. Okay, so basically it's a texture spray. That's so awesome. That is really cool. So if you spray this in your hair, it basically will give you kind of like beach waves if that's something that you're interested in. So that's really cool. I've actually never tried something like this. This is the first time. I never even knew they made products like this. Like, I know they make, what do you call it? Like, I know they make gels, and I know they make mousses for hair and stuff like that. And they have some, like, you know, the stuff for frizz, stuff for shine. But I don't think I've ever seen anything that would actually create, like, beach waves. So that's new and something I have to try. I've never gotten something like this, so I'm actually really excited to try this. This is actually super cool. So it's the Amika brand. Let me know if you guys ever use this. Did you like this? Like, does this actually really work? I don't know if any of you guys use this before. I never have. I don't know if this is a new item or not, but I'm interested. That's interesting. Okay, so now let's get into our next item. Next item. It seems like I get a mascara in everything, so I'm gonna have to relook at my profile on Sephora for the Sephora Play Box, because I get a mascara every single time, and that might have been my fault. I might have put in my preference that I would prefer mascaras, but I gotta change that because, yeah, I have enough. I get them basically every month, so I need to change that. But again, I don't mind because I do change them out every, you know, 2-3 months if I use it a lot. Like I mentioned, I don't wear makeup on a daily basis. I really wear it for occasions, you know, for videos, for things like that. But I'm not someone that wakes up and puts makeup on a daily basis. That's just not me. So I don't use makeup too much, so I don't need monthly mascaras. So I might have to change that. But this is the, what is it called? Caution brand, or is it called Hourglass? I don't even know. What is this? I think this is the Hourglass brand. Again, a new brand. I've never heard of this. So it says Caution Extreme Lash Mascara. Interesting. Have you guys ever heard of this brand? This is definitely new to me. I've never seen this brand before, nor have I ever seen it advertised. I haven't really bumped into it myself at Sephora, so this is interesting because I've never used or heard of this, but okay. Again, I don't mind trying new things. Okay, let's see. What is our next item? The next item is a Rose Floral Toner. Nice. And I think it's by the Fresh brand. It says infused with soothing rose water and hydrates and refreshes. That's pretty cool. I've heard rose water is really good for you. I personally have never tried it myself. So that's pretty interesting. Sorry if this is washing out. It's like super light out right now and it's super sunny and bright in my room. So I apologize if this is washing out for you guys. But this is interesting. I've also never tried this before either. So this is cool. Let's see. It looks like it's, so it says it's a floral toner, but then it also says lotion at the same time. That's interesting. So is it a lotion or is it a toner? Because I'm kind of confused. But that's okay, because like I mentioned, that's why we have our little brochure that tells us what everything is. Rosewater floral toner. Let's see. Oh yeah, it does look more watery now that I open it up. It doesn't look like a lotion consistency. It definitely looks like a watery toner consistency. So this is a rose water toner, which is really cool. Again, something I've never tried before, so definitely have to try that out. And let's see, we are down to our last 2 items. Okay. Oh, I'm actually really excited for this. I've never tried this before, but I've heard nothing but good things, and I do watch a few beauty gurus that rave about this stuff. So this is actually really exciting. So this is the Benefits Gimme Brow. Have you guys ever used this as well? So this is kind of like a mini small sample size, of course. It's not the big one, if this would focus. So it's the mini size. It's not that big, but I've heard nothing but good things. So this is Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel. So basically it's brow gel. It's like a tint. That's really cool. I've never tried something like that. I've always wanted to, but then I've always, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I do actually use the, what is it called? The Anastasia, I can't remember what it's called. That's what it is. It's the Anastasia Brow Wiz. That's what I use to fill in my brows, because your girl does not have that many brows, to be honest with you. I went through that phase when I was in middle school and high school, and this is probably dating me, but basically where girls like your your eyebrows were so thin. Like, they used to make them so thin. And I remember when I went to get my eyebrows waxed the first time, this girl took so much off that I was just like, bruh, oh my god, never again. So I actually stopped getting my eyes waxed for the I've actually stopped getting my eyebrows waxed for the longest time, because when I did it for the first time, this woman took so much off. It was insane, and it took so long for them to grow back. So they finally grew back, and I did end up a few years after that going back to someone else, well, not back, but going to a new person to get my eyebrows shaped, and they did a really good job. I told her I want very, very little. I don't want thin eyebrows. I just want you to shape it up so it has a nice shape, but I do not want you taking too much off. And she actually did a really good job. And now, to be honest with you guys, I actually have not gotten my eyebrows waxed in maybe 8 or 10 years. Ever since that woman like did a better shape on me, what I basically have done is just tweeze them. I basically just tweeze them myself, because again, I don't have that many eyebrows to begin with, like eyebrow hairs, so they're not like thick and bushy that they need to be maintained a lot. I have very fine eyebrow hairs, so I tweeze them on my own. I don't even get them waxed anymore because there's just no need. And the woman did a really good job on the shape, so I just try to keep that shape every single time I tweeze. So yeah, sorry, didn't mean to go on a tangent, but if you guys were wondering, I do not have thick, nice, luscious eyebrows, unfortunately. So I do use the Brow Wiz all the time. That's basically what you guys see on me. And I'm actually really excited because I've heard nothing but good things about these gels and tints. So I'm actually really excited. I'm kind of sad that it's so small. It really is like such a small sample of it, but listen, I'll try it out. Oh my god, look how tiny that is. Oh, that is so small. But you know what? It's great because I'll try it out. And if I do really, really like it, I will probably go and purchase the big, you know, the full size of it. So that's really cool because I've never gotten it. And I'm actually really excited to use and try this. And actually, I might even try it in my next Sephora. Not try it, but I might wait to show you guys what it looks like in my next Sephora Playbox unboxing. Maybe I'll do that. Maybe I'll see how it looks then to show you guys to see if I like it. So that's really cool. I'm super excited for that. And then we're actually down to our last item. That's it. That's all that was in here. So then our last item is the Saint Laurent Libre perfume. Okay, interesting. I don't think I've ever, believe it or not, I don't think I've ever actually gotten a Saint Laurent perfume before in the samples. I've gotten a few really good ones. Like I've gotten the Gucci Bloom before. Like I've gotten really good like Chloe, Dior, and all that stuff, but I actually never have gotten YSL, so let's try it out. If I can get it open. Oh, you guys should see me. I always tear through these boxes because I'm so excited for these. Okay, it just says it's in their Libre scent. Interesting. Oh, it's so tiny. Look how small. You gotta love these samples. They're so cute. Even though they're small, they're so cute. Oh, that is really nice. Oh, that is nice. Oh, that's really nice. That's really nice. So it's not too heavy, like it's not too strong, but it's not too light either. And it has hints of like a floral scent to it, but I'm not 100% sure. Let me see if I look in the book, if it tells me anything about it. There is like a hint of a floral, but I can't tell what it is. Oh, okay. So it says an enticing scent for when you're in an independent mood. So it says fragrance family floral, top note orange blossom, bottom note lavender. Wow. That is really nice. If you guys know me, I'll actually link it down below in the description, but I do have a perfume, not a haul, I don't know why I was gonna say haul, but a perfume collection, and I do have a lot of florally kind of orange and blossom scents that I really, really love and enjoy. So that makes sense that I enjoy this. Oh, because that's the scent that I gravitate towards. Oh my god, and that's really nice. So it's orange blossom and lavender. Oh, that is nice. Ladies, if you guys are looking for a new perfume, I would recommend this. I would definitely say go in store and try it out for yourself because it's actually really good. Wow. That is so nice. Oh, that is really nice. So that is all I have for the video today. As I mentioned, I really am trying to cut down on mumbling and going off tangents. So I'm going to keep it nice and short. Just, you know, when I do these unboxings, I'm going to get right to them and just show you guys what I got. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. When I do try out some of these products, I'll update you guys in the next video. Usually I try to do that. I try to let you guys know what I really liked either from the previous months or whatever the case is, and just let you know what I liked, what I would recommend. So I'll try to do that for the next video, and I will try to do the Benefits Gimme Brow. I'll try to do my brows with that for the next video to show you guys and see if I like it, because right now I use the Brow Wiz from Anastasia. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave any questions, comments, concerns down below. I'm super responsive in the comment section. And yeah, till the next unboxing, guys.